Hey guys, thanks for purchasing the Pixel Perfection rear bumper sticker mockup. We're going to go through today and help you come step by step with how to download the mockup from Dropbox, how to upload it into Canva, and then how to actually put designs on those mockups so you guys can use them in your Printify, Printful, or other POD or e-commerce shops. So here we are on our Etsy shop. And this is the listing that you guys purchased today. Thank you so much for that. When you made that purchase, you should have got a link to a download. This is the PDF link that you would have downloaded. From here we have a link to these tutorials, some valuable tools and resources that we use that we think will help you guys. And this is what we want right here. It says click here, download your files. So we're going to go ahead and click that. That's going to take us over into Dropbox, and now we can see all of the different files that we just purchased. And to download them, all you do is you're going to click here, and then you go to download, and it's going to download that right into your computer. So, what you guys can do then, to actually edit the mockup, you're going to come over here and go to Canva. Canva is a super easy to use online editor. It has a ton of different functionality, but the great thing about it is that it has this free version. So you guys can come in here, you can edit your mockups, and it's not going to cost you anything. So that's super helpful. So what you will do, guys, is if you come over here and hit create a design, you're going to come down here and go to custom size. Now, the mockups that we sell are 3,000 by 2,000 pixels. So once you have that, you'll hit Create New Design. So that's going to open up the template that we're going to be working on. We're just going to be this area here. You guys will come over here and go to Uploads. And then you can see we already have uploaded one of our files. But to do that, all you would do is go to Upload Files, and then you click on your downloads, and then you can just import them right here into Canva. Super easy. And so, this is the bumper sticker decal that we purchased. Actually, guys, we got it from over here at Creative Fabrica, or pay a monthly fee, and we have access to literally tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of designs. We typed in car decal, and you can see all the different ones. It's almost endless. This is a tool that we use all the time. I'll put a link to this below. But we already found one that we liked, and we already downloaded it right here. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to take our mockup, and all you're going to do is slide over, and it's going to auto size to the size of the template. If you slide it all the way in, it won't do that. Then you can just move it around and resize it, just like that. Super easy. So now, once you have your mockup, you're going to grab your sticker or your decal, you're going to pull that in, and then, based off of the size of sticker decal, you're going to size this appropriately to the mockup, and you're going to decide where you want it to go on your truck. So we can click here, and if you want, click on this, and you can maybe move it a little bit, depending on how you think it would look best. And I think that looks good right there. And then, from there, we export it. That looks good to me. So all you're going to do is come here, go to Share, and you're going to go to Download. This says PNG. That's what I always suggest. You see the size is already here. Everything looks good, so you're just going to download that. That's going to take just a second. And now you click this, and there it is. Now you can take this image and you can upload it to Etsy. You can help sell more stickers, decals, bumper stickers, whatever you guys want. I hope that was very helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm here to help with whatever you need. And also, always, if this video helps you, please like it, subscribe. We're going to be coming up with new videos all the time, not just for mock-ups, but also how to do keyword research. And guys, if there's anything that you want to know, drop it in the comments. We always go in there, and we're happy to help and make new videos based off what you guys want. Well, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.